This video shows how to clean and lubricate the carriage rail on HP latex and DesignJet printers. The procedure is demonstrated using a DesignJet L25-500, but the steps also apply to the HP Latex 260 and 280, formerly known as the HP DesignJet L26-500 and L28-500. The front panel messages may vary slightly between printers. Check the user documentation for more detail. HP recommends performing carriage rail maintenance whenever the printer prompts you. The message will be displayed on the front panel. The process consists of three main steps. First, cleaning the carriage rail with alcohol and a clean lint-free cloth. You will do this 2 times. Then you will lubricate the carriage rail with the bottle of oil from the maintenance kit that is supplied with your printer. And finally, you will clean the substrate jamb reflector. Depending on your printer model, you will either see a prompt or select the maintenance option from the menu. Press OK to begin. Select the maintenance menu on the front panel, and then select the carriage rail lubrication submenu. You must unload the substrate before proceeding with the maintenance tasks. Select the substrate option from the main menu, and then select Substrate Unload. When the printer notifies you that the substrate has been unloaded successfully, press the back button to return to the previous menu, and then return to the Carriage Rail Lubrication menu. Unlock and then open the window. Be careful not to touch the printer's drying enclosure after you have opened the window, because the internal surfaces may be hot. Now you are ready to clean the carriage rail. HP recommends doing this task twice to ensure it is clean before oiling. Alcohol is not provided in the maintenance kit. Isopropyl alcohol is recommended to clean the DesignJet L25-500. Use 95% ethanol for the Latex 260 and 280 or DesignJet L26-500 or L28-500 printers. It is recommended that you use protective gloves during this maintenance procedure. Always use a clean, lint-free cloth on the carriage rail. Alcohol is highly flammable. Observe the manufacturer's safety precautions when using any chemicals. Do not use commercial cleaners or abrasive cleaners. Dampen the clean, lint-free cloth with the appropriate type of alcohol. While cleaning the carriage rail, be careful not to damage the metal strip located above the rail. Insert the wipe between the metal strip and the rail. Do not run your finger along the metal strip. Do not grip the metal strip in any way. While gripping only the carriage rail under the cloth, clean the rail on the left side of the carriage. Take care to clean the entire rail, including the parts under the end covers. Reapply alcohol to a clean portion of the lint-free cloth, and then clean the right side of the rail. After you have cleaned the entire carriage rail once, it is time for a second pass. Reapply alcohol to the cleaning wipe and repeat the cleaning process on the left side. Reapply alcohol once more for the final pass on the right side of the carriage rail. After cleaning the carriage rail, it is time to lubricate it. Take the bottle of oil from the maintenance kit that is supplied with your printer. A replacement kit can be ordered if necessary. For best results, apply the oil in a zigzag pattern. Do not apply oil in a straight line. Apply a thin stream of oil along the entire length of the carriage rail. Be careful not to get any oil on the metal guide strip above the carriage rail. Be sure to get back under the end covers. Complete lubrication on the right side of the carriage rail. When you have completed lubricating the entire carriage rail, return to the front panel and press the OK button to continue. Now you need to clean the substrate jam reflector, as explained in the maintenance guide. Clean the substrate jam reflector using a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water. If you find dried ink that you cannot remove, try using a lint-free cloth dampened with alcohol. Then return to the front panel and press the OK button to complete this task. After completing these maintenance steps, close the window and secure the locks. The carriage will move across the rail and complete the process. You can now load a substrate and print as usual. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Support Advanced.